Welcome to part 8. Here you can see we found a little hole in the side step. So I made a little plate and I welded it in with a little £100 welder I got from Amazon. It's not the finest welding, but it fills a hole. And with a few more little pieces, we fabricated a solid repair to make getting in and out of the van a sturdy business. I've done another little video featuring the budget welder. Check it out if you want to have a look at that. Fortunately, all this gets covered. But you can see treating the rust before we give it a good layer of primer, and then we'll seal everywhere up and then put the trim back on. And there you go. Most of it's hidden, which I'm thankful for.